Hi guys, this is Donovan. John's here. Here we have a Hoover Tempo wide path, and I have the phone's in use, so we're gonna put it down right here. Wait a minute, I don't know why it's a brush. His bag. Eureka the Boss is gone. I don't know when it comes back. When they make this was the last one they made. Let me take my chair. My chair is broken. And in my feet. In my toe. Oh no. Oh great. Oh God. No. I'm YouTubing. I don't know where should I fit it. Oh, great. Shit. There it is. Actually, let's leave it unlocked. Shut up. Excuse me! What's that? Oh no. No means no. Shut up. I said no. We're not listening to teachers or parents. I'm killing you with a gun. What did you just say to Jessica Rick? I hate her so much. I'm going to kill her right now. We're going to kill you right now. Shut up. Actually, you're not fine. No, you are not fine for the day. We just said no. And now, shut up. You know what? Leave it on top of the box. So, I just put that. You put that. Damn it! Did you just seriously kill Jessica Rick? It's like, God damn it! You killed her with that. Excuse me. Hey, you're not gonna kill people. You're not allowed because you don't. Well, because you are going to Brooklyn College, and I mean it. I mean it, Donovan. This is your warning. This is my last warning. Now let's go take it upstairs. Tomorrow's a bad weather, and there will be ice. Again, the cold came back. The cold will go away first, because time to go. It's time to go. We don't want to die. That's a good exercise. Oh no, parents, I'm going to crash. Right, I'm going to see. We might have school off all month. All month. I'm subbing for Miss Huggins. All month. Miss Huggins died. Miss Huggins died because she had it. No, Miss Huggins is still alive. Miss Huggins. I was like, all month. You couldn't have Miss Huggins anymore. Miss Huggins died because of you. Right. Okay, everybody. That's right, Max Speed. It's not today. Not today. Not today, Mother. Because I said no.
Don't turn it on, sometimes. No, I did call them. So I asked him, I said, I need to know. My son is, it's not good. And he was giving me first. I need to know when.
We don't need a light on for that. We do not need lights on. First, let me have a little bit of Cheetos. No, don't! Oh. Shut up about that.
Donovan, don't say that. Daddy, don't eat them! Are you taking that? But of course, Chris will get up and say, Michelle, if you're through the dating survey, which makes it very different than until I'm through, I'm saying, so.
Put another light bulb again. Pay attention, Avery.
Give me a bowl and I'll give you some. You can have some.
I got a bowl. This is a bowl.
Bring me the Cheetos.
Let me put it in the bowl.
I said bring it.
Let me put it in the bowl.
Then you can have them.
I want it in the bowl myself, please.
Then come into it in front of me so I see how much you're doing.
I'm right here.
I'm down here.
I'm right here.
Donovan?
What is it? That's it. I'm swearing. I will swear at my brother.
I guess you don't want to go to Grandma's on Thursday, do you?
No, that's too much.
Donovan, bring it here. So,
Shut those doors. I'm kicking the parents out. You better not. Mr. Dad. It's Mr. Dog. Mr. Dog is sick. No holds.